Hey, what's going on? This is Sarah Lee Day, and you're watching Dubsado Tidbits, the things you need to know about Dubsado delivered in bite-sized pieces. Today we're going to talk about your dashboard and navigating around Dubsado. But before we do, we need to log in. To log into Dubsado, go to hello.dubsado.com/user/login, or just go to dubsado.com and click their sign in button. Then enter your email address and password and click login. Now, if you're part of multiple brands or multiple companies, you're going to see a list of all of the companies and brands that you're a part of, that you're a team member of. For now, we just have our one brand, so this is the only one showing here. And just click which brand you want to access to get into it. All right, when you first log into Dubsado, this is the view you're going to see. This is called your dashboard. You can see over here on the left, there are several other areas that we can look at. Dashboard is obviously the first one. That's the one that's always going to default to. You also have projects, reporting, which expands to some other areas underneath it, calendar, tasks, utilities, which also expands, and templates, which expands as well. In the top, you've got a search bar. So if you have clients that you're looking for or a project you're looking for, you can type it into the search bar and pull it up easily that way. Over here on the right, this is your inbox. So whenever you receive emails from clients, it's going to show in your inbox. Notifications are for completed tasks, completed proposals, forms, questionnaires, contracts, any kind of alert that you're going to get from Dubsado will show your notifications here. This is called the gear icon. We're actually going to go into more detail on what's involved with the gear icon in future videos, so stay tuned for that. And then you've got the help, and that's going to give you the help center, the Facebook community, release notes, and a way to contact Dubsado directly. Then finally, your logo also has some additional settings and features under it. Any brands that you're a part of, that you're invited as a team member of, you're going to have those listed here, and you can click and switch between brands just at the click of a button. Under account, you've got your login settings, create a new brand if you wanted to add another brand, billing, affiliate link, and log out. So let's just take a quick look at your dashboard. Here you have your financial goals, and we'll go into more detail about that when we get into the gear icon. Open invoices, this will just be a list of all open invoices. Revenue indicator, again, we'll go more into that with the gear icon. Recent, this is going to show you any invoices that have missed payments, any contracts that need your signature, any workflow actions that need your approval, and also any updates from Dubsado will be listed here. Calendar overview, once we get to the calendar settings and set that up, you'll have a calendar list here. Your financial information will show down here, and that's just based off of what you put into Dubsado, so your invoices, your payments, your expenses. And then over here we have tasks. These are any tasks that have been assigned to you or that are coming up due for you to work on. Also, down here in the bottom right is the chat bubble. If you have any questions at all, Dubsado's chat support is awesome. You're usually really responsive, especially during their normal operating hours. To ask them a question, just start a new conversation and then type your message here, and someone will get back to you as soon as they can. And if you're not online whenever you do contact them, they will actually email you their response. So that's pretty awesome. All right, well, that's it for today's tidbit. For more information about receiving updates, requesting future episodes, or getting help with your own Dubsado account, check out the links down below in the description of this video or visit sarahleeday.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.